Hi, this is Rodolfo Gutierrez. I am the territory manager for SolidPlant. And I just want to take the time to thank Tulio, Johnny, Waldemar, all the folks at 4i Engineering. They have a great culture, they have a great team. I can just feel the energy radiating from the emails that they send me and the many phone calls that we've had and the web conferences. They have a great product, they have great value that they're adding to their marketplace, and I'm excited to be working with them. As a territory manager for SolidPlant, I travel North America explaining the power, explaining the benefit, the value of SolidPlant 3D and SolidPlant P&ID. And for us to be doing business in Brazil is very exciting for us because we see a lot of potential in the Brazilian market, and we couldn't be working with a better company than 4i Engineering. We believe in producing world-class products. We believe in partnering with world-class organizations such as 4i Engineering, and we couldn't be happier to be working with them. I'm very excited to be working with them. SolidPlant 3D is the most comprehensive, the most complete process plant solution for SolidWorks. And honestly, we believe that it is the most comprehensive, easy to use process plant solution in the market today. Where we are price-wise, with the ease of use, feels as if it's an extension of SolidWorks, and SolidWorks is known for being easy to use. Obviously, the power of the platform, the power of SolidWorks, and how they've managed to compress a lot of information into their files, and also the different technologies that we've used in SolidPlant to complete this solution is very impressive. We've partnered with companies such as Alias's Isogen to include that Isogen engine into our product. With a click of a button, you are looking at a automatic isometric Isogen drawing, and it's easy to publish, easy to export. So there are many benefits of SolidPlant P&ID. There are many benefits of SolidPlant 3D. But I wanted to take the time to thank you guys for taking the time to take a look at our opportunity. We believe that it's going to not only help you save time, but also help you make money, because it's going to help you take your ideas to the marketplace quicker. With that, thank you so much, and I hope to see you soon in Brazil. God bless.